In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create beautiful shadow effects in Figma to add depth and make your UI designs look more professional. Start by opening your Figma file and selecting the text, button, card or element you want to enhance with a shadow. With the layer selected, go to the right sidebar and locate the Effects section. Click the plus icon and choose Drop Shadow from the list of effects. Next, adjust the shadow settings. Set the X and Y values to position the shadow and increase or decrease the blur amount to control how soft the shadow appears. For a clean modern look, use a low opacity value so the shadow feels subtle rather than overpowering. You can experiment with different offsets, blur levels and opacity settings until the design looks natural and balanced. If you're designing cards or containers, try using a larger blur with lower opacity to create a smooth floating effect. Preview your design and make small adjustments as needed to match your overall UI style. And that's it. You've successfully created beautiful shadows in Figma that add depth and improve the visual quality of your design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.